Hey everybody, I know it's been a long time since I made a video, so yeah. I know I'll make the challenge video later. Right now, I just want to make this so bad right now. I just want to make it. Oh, so there's a storyline. Cool. Same guy. Oh, I don't think we need to tap it. Oh, what is it? Oh my god, is that a whale? He's like, bruh. He's hearing normal. I think the developer just used normal sound effects. Kind of cool. Okay, and now he's on the hunt for a blue whale. Cool. Let's go. Let's go, everybody. The whale. Okay. Okay, so we're doing good so far. So far, so good. So far, so good. Okay. Right. So yeah, let's start. Yeah, let's do this, guys. This is gonna be so exciting. Yeah, we got jellyfish. I'm gonna just keep this stuff in the aquarium. Oh man, guys. There we go. Let's go. Tutorial is over. Now go to the map. Let's go, guys. Woo! Woo! 2048 Fisher. The whale swims beneath the sea. Yay. Tomorrow I'm gonna get a boat. A classic boat. Oh, cool fish. Nice. What is it? Kissing gurame. Seahorses. Amberjack. Okay, spoiler alert. I know I have played like this. This is like a sequel to Fishing in Life. And speaking of Fishing in Life, I know all this stuff, so got it. So yeah. Come on. Come on, I want you to be here. I'm gonna catch this one first because I'm in the mood. I got the mood. I'm in the mood. Yay. I just put these two. Sell. Uh-oh. I think no fish is there. You think? There is no fish. Yeah. So we got Luminous, a Funky, and the Kissing Gurame. New fish appear. Yay. Now new fish appear in the Sea of Lighthouse. Do you want to generate codfish again? Nah, I'm not in the mood. I want to see the aquarium. See what it has for us. Oh, jellyfish, cool. So we got seahorse, we got amberjack. There's all the stuff here. Okay. There we go. And then we merge everything. Merge. Okay, don't go too crazy or else you'll break the game. Okay, so... Ooh, chest. I want it. Receive. Boy. Yeah. Hui. Seahorses. Okay, you guys, you know what? I'm gonna pause from here. and then I will, when the new fish comes, and I'll just, wait a minute, wait. I can just show you the new fish right now, because, ta-da! Oh, we got a lot of stuff in the catalog. Daydream is a new one. I don't know this one. I forgot the name of that one because, like, oh yes, so quick. Zebra seahorse, nice. A zebra seahorse. Seahorse must have razors. Oh my god. So we're going pretty fast. Okay. Honestly, this could take some time, so yeah, I'm gonna pause the video this time, actually. Oh. Okay. Guys, I think I'll be right back for a sec. Okay, so we're back, and yeah, let's discover this new one in 3, 2, 1. Are you kidding me right now? A unicorn, and I'm a boy. Jeez, this is so weird. Okay, I'm gonna just quickly merge all this stuff. In the meantime, I will just make an extra slot for my aquarium, because, spoiler alert, I know all the fish, so sorry about that. I know the fish, so yeah. I played this game before too, so yeah, I'm pretty sure I know everything right now. So yeah, because I'm aware of what the next fish is. Let's keep going. Okay, here's zebra seahorse. Oh no. I will take all of these. Okay, let's keep going. Oh, we got zebra seahorse so quickly. That was fast. Now we just need to get a few more, and then we're good. And we're good to go, and then we catch the boss fish. Hooray. How amazing is that? Okay, let's get this stuff. Get over it. Yep. And then, Luminous, come here. Yes. Now you're a Daydream, not Luminous. Oh wow, I think we're gonna make it. Let's do this. Okay. Now we just need another amberjack, and then we'll just merge everything in just a few seconds. Boom. 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 Yes, amberjack, come. I think I will do something about this right now. Oh wait, guys, never mind. I'm gonna just merge this, and then what do I do? Just switch. Boop, boop. Ta-da. Magic. Let's do this. Sea dragon. Let's do this. Yahoo. Let's got these boss fish. I need 20. Are you kidding me? Swap. 9. 10. Why? Hey. I need 16. Why? I need to do something. 17. I need to do something, or else I'm gonna die. Nope. No, I am not giving up. Bop. No, bitty bop. This is perfect. No, we still need 16. Jeez. Okay, I don't even have enough money. This is perfect. Why amberjack? I'm just 3, 2, 1. Strike. And then, ooh, Weedy Sea Dragon is mine. Let's do this. Cancel. Silent. Yahoo! We can now enter to Downtown Pond. Okay, guys, so I'll just see you in the next episode, because, like, I don't want to waste my space, because that was the exact reason why I did not make any more Abyssrium Pole videos, because I lost space. So sad. So yeah, I hope I'll be able to make one more video at least of Abyssrium Pole, or I'll just get on with the challenge. Oh wait, I just realized something. I need mission rewards. Beep bop beep. I just need to catch Daydream and Uniseahorse. So I'll just get all these rewards. So I'm gonna just complete the game in the meantime. Just try and get all the fishies, and then, well, see ya. Bye.